For safety, make sure before you do this job to remove the battery. To remove the wheel, there is a cable here, and this cable connects to this cable here, which powers the motor. So this is the motor cable, so you just pull this out from here, and then the next thing you need to do is to remove that are going to be on both sides. And then once you remove those, there is a bracket that's holding the wheel in place. Now the bracket is going to be here. This would hold the wheel in. It's going to come through here, and this is going to hold the wheel in place. And there's going to be a bolt right here that's holding the bracket on. It goes in here, and then you're going to need an Allen key to remove that. You have two brackets on both sides of the wheel, and once both of those brackets are removed, you can then slide the wheel off, and that's how the wheel is removed. Now that's a shield right there. Now once you slide the wheel back on, you have this bracket preventing the wheel from sliding off, so this locks the wheel in place. So you would just put this bracket on. So that has to slide in this piece right here. Now when you put the brackets on, make sure you put them on correctly. So the indentation of the bracket has to be facing outward. If you look closely, you can see there's an indentation on this side. You have to put it on the right way, because if you get the brackets mixed up, if right is left and left is right, it's going to go backwards like that. The easy way to tell is you can see the screws have scoured the outside, so you know that this faces outward. So this would slide on like so. That's how you get it on right, and then you secure it with a bolt. And you tighten that with an Allen key, and then you install the shield, washer, just need to tighten everything up. And on the other side you have the bracket, the washer, and then you plug in the motor cable. So I hope you found this video useful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for tuning in.